A few months ago, Amazon introduced its new AI shopping assistant, Rufus AI. This announcement has made a lot of noise on the internet as it's supposed to revolutionize customer experience. However, the more pressing question is, what will the introduction of Rufus AI change for Amazon sellers? In this video, you'll learn how Rufus will change shopping for sellers and thus for buyers, and how you can prepare for its launch. What is Rufus AI? Rufus is a generative AI-powered shopping assistant trained on Amazon's product catalog, customer reviews, community Q&As, and information from across the web. It is designed to answer customer questions about products, provide comparisons, and make recommendations based on conversational context. As Amazon's CEO has said, it lets customers discover items in a very different way that they have been able to do on e-commerce websites. So imagine you need to buy a high-pressure car washer for under $200, but have no idea about such products. Instead of scrolling through thousands of options, reading reviews, and comparing prices, you can simply ask the Rufus chatbot to recommend the best model for your particular budget and needs. Shoppers could also ask what to consider when shopping for certain product categories, ask about product recommendations for different occasions and purposes, have conversational follow-ups to queries. What does the launch of Rufus mean to sellers? Launching Rufus AI means more changes to Amazon's search algorithm, which is already a pretty nuanced tool that factors in many elements to determine the most relevant results. Constant algorithm updates are already frustrating to some sellers, so it might be a good occasion to consider how Rufus AI will impact the seller community. The truth is that if you do your research now, you will be able to approach the Rufus launch as an opportunity. How to prepare for the launch of Rufus? First of all, you need to understand the architecture of the Rufus product search. Rufus will 100% affect the customer journey of online shoppers and make it less linear. The search experience of shoppers will become more conversational in spirit. If sellers want to adapt to it, they should start by adapting their listings to such natural queries. Revise and optimize Amazon product listings to align with Rufus requirements for recommendations. To protect the discoverability of your listings, you need to identify relevant search terms that customers will use while using Rufus. These terms might differ from the keywords that you were previously using. Think about keywords variations, conversational search queries, long-tail keywords, common misspellings, different product use cases, and different product compatibilities. You don't need to worry about fitting all of them into the listing title. They can be worked into the Amazon bullets or backend keywords. Optimize product descriptions with Rufus in mind. Let's say you're selling wallets. Describing the wallet as leather is its feature. However, the feeling of luxury and quality that it gives is a benefit. Product benefits are something that shoppers will be able to ask Rufus to compare. If you want to figure out the benefit-centered keywords, try to imagine the questions that online shoppers might ask the chatbot. If you sell on international markets, make listing localization your top priority. Plain translating and search optimizing your listing on Amazon will no longer be enough. Rufus will probably require the human-like quality of the translation to recommend your product to an international buyer. While Rufus is said not to be influenced by advertising, it might still be a good idea to invest in it. Why? Amazon's AI shopping assistant is still in test mode, and while its company is tweaking its algorithm, you might experience fluctuating visibility as well as ranking drops, which influence the number of sales. When it comes to advertising, the right campaign setup and budget allocation can guarantee your products will stand out, regardless of which listing Rufus recommends. Whether you want it or not, AI is an integral part of e-commerce. Understanding this is the first step to preparing for introduction of Rufus on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to hear more marketplace selling tips and news, or learn about our AI-powered cross-border solution that can boost your brand's global presence effortlessly.